Hey there, Instagrammers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most frustrating issues many of us face: Instagram stories not uploading. If you're tired of dealing with this headache, you're in the right place. Stick around as we unravel the mystery behind this problem and share some effective solutions with you. Instagram stories, a beloved feature of the platform, allow us to share our daily moments with our followers for up to 24 hours. But what happens when you hit a roadblock and your story just won't upload? Well, you're not alone. Many users have reported encountering this issue, and today, we're here to help you tackle it head-on. So, why does your Instagram story refuse to upload? Let's break it down. There are a few common culprits behind this frustrating problem. Firstly, it could be due to server downtime or glitches within the platform. Instagram, with its massive user base, occasionally experiences technical hiccups that can affect story uploads. Secondly, an unstable or poor internet connection can also be to blame. Instagram relies heavily on a stable internet connection for smooth operation. Lastly, a corrupted Instagram app could be causing the issue. Outdated or corrupted apps often lead to glitches and errors. Now that we've identified the problem, let's explore some solutions. Number 1. Opt for a better internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth Instagram usage. If your connection is spotty, try switching networks or providers. If YouTube videos are buffering on your connection, chances are Instagram stories won't upload smoothly either. Number 2. Check the current server status of Instagram. Websites like Down Detector can help you determine if Instagram is experiencing downtime. If it's a server issue, unfortunately, all you can do is wait it out. Number 3. Log out and log back into your account. Sometimes, a simple logout and login can fix account-related glitches. It's worth a try before moving on to other solutions. Number 4. Update the Instagram app. Outdated apps are prone to glitches, so ensure you're using the latest version. Check your app store for updates and install them promptly. Number 5. Clear the Instagram app cache. Corrupted cache files can disrupt app functionality. Android users can clear their app cache through settings, while iPhone users may need to delete and reinstall the app. Number 6. Delete and reinstall the Instagram app. A fresh installation can resolve app-related issues. Simply delete the app and reinstall it from your app store. Number 7. Don't add any elements to your story. Sometimes, stickers and music can cause upload issues. Try uploading your story without any extras to see if it goes through smoothly. Number 8. Disable the data saver mode on Instagram. While it's great for saving data, it can interfere with uploads. Turn it off in your settings to ensure smooth uploading. And finally, number 9. Report to Instagram support. If all else fails, reach out to Instagram for assistance. They're there to help and may be able to resolve the issue for you. In conclusion, while the Instagram story not uploading issue can be frustrating, there are solutions available. Whether it's a server glitch or a connectivity issue, we hope these tips help you get back to sharing your moments with ease. Remember, if it's a server problem, sometimes all you can do is wait it out. But for everything else, we've got you covered. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.